How to use the Explode command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the Explode command in AutoCAD. The Explode command in AutoCAD allows you to break down complex objects or blocks into their components. To use the Explode command, you need to follow these steps. Click the Home tab. Modify panel. Then, choose the Explode command. Or type Explode in the command line, then press Enter. Select the objects to be exploded and press Enter. The results of exploding an object depend on the type of object you select. For example, exploding a block removes one grouping level at a time, exploding a polyline discards any associated width or tangent information, and exploding a 3D solid explodes planar faces into regions and non-planar faces into surfaces. The color, line type, and line weight of any exploded object might change. Other results differ depending on the type of compound object you're exploding.